this lecture, we will going to talk about the 4 variable K-map.
So we have done with 2 variables, we have done with 3 variables. Now we will move to the 4 variable K-map. Okay, so what is 4 variable K-map? So in the 4 variable K-map, what we have to do, see, we have talked about the 2 variables. So in the 2 variable map, how many blocks we have got? We have got 2 raised to power 2 was 4 blocks. 3 variable 2 raised to power 3, we have got 8 blocks. And now if we are talking about 4 variable 2 raised to power 4, what will be 2 raised to power 4? 16. So I will be having a 16 blocks. Okay, so we have to draw a 16 block first, and then we have to write a number like this. Here we have to write A, B. Now we are writing here A, B, and here we are writing C, D. We are writing A, B here, and we are writing C, D here. So how the number will going to start? The number will going to start in the same way. So you have done for the K-map for the 3 variables. Okay, so the numbering for the 3 variable K-map was like this. So I will be writing in the terms of M0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this was the numbering you have done. What we are doing, we are just adding a duplicate here. Okay, we are just adding a duplicate here. Can you see? 2 raised to power 3. So what we are doing, we are folding this. We are trying to fold this here. So what will going to happen, that the numbering which you will going to start M0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to start from the lower one. M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M14, M15. Okay, so in this way we will going to represent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then from lower one 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, got it? So what we have done, we have just started, we have just folded it. Okay, we have just, this is my hand, I have just folded it. So what will going to happen? Yes, I am just coming to this. So this cell will going to come this way. So my starting of the numbering will start from M0. So we have already completed by 7. Till 7 we have already completed. So it will start from M8, M9, M10, M11, L12, L12, M13, M14, M15. Basically you are doing is that I'm just giving you a shortcut. M0, what you are adding? Because you have already got a 7, what will you do? You are adding 8. So it will going to become M8. M1 plus 8 will become your M9. M3 plus 8 will become your M11. M2 plus 8 will become your M10. Okay, you are getting this point? Just overlap it and add 8 to it. If I take the M7, M7 plus 8 will going to become your M15. So what I have done, I have just folded it from here. So this can be a folding part, you can say. So M6 will going to overlap at this point. So again, what the maximum possible pair I can have in this to get one answer? 16. All the 16, when all the 16 will going to be connected, I will have a maximum pair of this. Then after 16, I have seen that if my 8 pair are possible, my 4 pair are possible, my 2 pairs are possible, or my individual term are possible. Got this idea? We will take one example of it. And see, again, the numbering will be same. So if you want to do the numbering like this nomenclature, so let me take a different color, let's say yellow color. So it will be C bar, D bar, C, D, and C, D bar. And this will be your A bar, B bar, A bar, B. And now you are reflecting this. So this will be your AB, and this will be your A, B bar. Okay, so let me take one example. Let's say AB, C, D. So I will be writing here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Okay, simply 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B. This is clear? Now let's say I have a number like this. I'm fitting a number like this. Here I have got 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1. I can take 1 here. Okay, 1, and then we have to find out y. So I have to find out what are the possible overlapping I can have. So if I take this one, let's start with this 1. So if I start with 1, this I can have a possible overlapping of this only. Do you agree? So what will be the answer of this? Can you tell me what will be the answer of this? Here a bar, b bar is common. Okay, and what is the common? C bar. So I have got the answer of a bar, b bar, c bar. If I take this one, so if I take this one, can I combine this one with this one? And can I combine this one with this one and this one? So can I have a pairing of 4 possible here? Okay, so I can have a possible pairing of 4. Can you see? We have got a possible pairing of 4. Everybody got this? So here what answer you will be getting? See, in these two blocks, which one is common? We are having a b bar common. And here what we are having a common? We were having a d. So I will be having a d. Now see, I have combined. Now I have left this one. This one. So for this one, what is the possible pairing I can have? Only this. Everybody agree? I can have only possible pairing of this. So what will be the answer for this? Here we have got a bar common, and what is c bar d. Okay, a bar, c bar, d. Now we have left this with this one. So I can have a pairing for this like this. So what will be my answer? A, B and C. Now we have left with any one? No. So what will be my answer? I'm just writing my answer. My answer I have got is A bar, B bar, C plus B bar, D plus A bar, C bar, D plus A, B, C.
Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this 4 variable K map.